Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be showing how I make my Pollo Guisao or stew chicken in the Ninja Foodi. So all the ingredients I use in this video are going to be in the description box below. And it looks like a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it's an easy meal to do. Like super easy. Turn on the Ninja on saute mode, leave it on high, add about a tablespoon of oil and let it heat up. And while that's heating up, I like to season my chicken. I season it with adobo, garlic, onion powder, and 1 packet of Sazon. You could use any other type of chicken, but I like to use chicken thighs. Alright, so here we're showing all the ingredients up close and personal, all up in your face. We got oregano, adobo. We got some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, salsa tomate, Spanish style. We got Sazon. And we got some jamon and polvo. Sofrito. If you don't have sofrito, go check out my other video how to make the sofrito, and then come back to this video and make the pollo guisado. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Spanish olives. You could use as much as you want. This is how much I want to use. You could use 2, whatever, I don't care. Then we got some minced garlic. Why did I say minced? Then we got some chicken bouillon. Yeah, pollo en polvo. That's what you need to know. Pollo en polvo. Then we got some potatoes. I love potatoes. You can add carrots and potatoes, but I like to add just potatoes. Alright, so once the unit is heated, I put the chicken thighs to heat up on each side about 5 minutes. Should look like this. Do not fully cook them. Then I'm gonna stop that and I'm gonna put it on pressure, leave it on high, and put 16 minutes on the clock. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Then we're gonna add all the ingredients: Sazon, jamon en polvo, your Spanish olives, minced garlic, this is your time to shine. We're gonna just sprinkle till your heart is content. Sprinkle some of this. You're gonna sprinkle some of that. Sprinkle everywhere, but don't overdo it. Yeah. And then we're gonna shake, and sprinkle more. And keep on sprinkling. Sprinkle. Alright, so that's done. She's gonna add the rest of the ingredients in the pot. Some potato and your salsa tomate. And it should look like this once all the ingredients is mixed. Alright, I'm gonna put the lid on, and I always get excited when I get the lid on right the first time. Ooh, excitement. Alright, so now we're going to press start and let the Ninja do its thing. Once it finishes building up the pressure, it's going to start counting down. Once the countdown is finished, the Ninja automatically starts counting up and keeps warm, but we're not going to keep on going. We're just going to press stop and let the pressure out. Once that's finished, just open up the lid and your stew chicken is done. It looks like this after you open the lid. And just give it a good mix. I like to eat my pollo guisado with some white rice, but you can do any other rice or eat it alone. I'm not judging. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe so you won't miss any awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.